Okay, hi boys and girls. Today we're going to talk a little bit about subtraction, but with bigger numbers. So this week we've talked about subtraction means take away. You go backwards when you subtract, okay? If I'm looking at my number line, I'm not going forward on it. I'm actually going backwards on the number line, okay? So today we're going to use the number line to do subtraction with numbers up to 100. So if I want you to look over on that side, can you look over there? I want you to look over there and I want you to look at the number line and see over here what they're counting by. Look at those numbers. I see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What do you notice? They are counting by 10. Very good. Okay. So each hop is actually worth 10. It's not worth 1 normally, like when I would hop. So we've done this before in class. We just were kind of doing it a little bit towards the end of when we had to go on this quarantine. So I wanted to review it with you before we started. So when we count, each hop is worth a 10. Okay. And if I am drawing 10s, whoops, this is all my stuff from last time. Let's restart this and trash it. Okay, that's what we were doing in class before we left. If I am drawing things based on 10s, okay, if I could use sticks, and we just talked about almost like a tally mark type of stick, okay? So let's see. If I want to come up with an equation, I am going to write one right up here. We're going to come up with the equations where we're going to subtract. So let's start with 80. And we're going to take away nice even numbers right now on this. We're going to have 80, and we are going to subtract 30, okay? And I want you to watch this. If I am at 80, all right, I'm going to start here, and I am going to hop backwards until I get to 30, okay? I'm at 80. Am I counting 79, 78, 76? No, I don't have those numbers over here on the side, okay? I only have them by 10s. So every time I take a hop, I'm going to say 10. So I'm going to hop backwards like this. 10, 20, 30. Remember, I needed to hop backwards 30. 30 is how many hops? Well, look at this. We have 3 hops because it's 3 10s. Remember, if I was drawing my 10s, they would look like this, okay? I can also do it this way, all right? But if I have 80 and I hop back 30, what was I left with in the end? I was left with 50. Very good. 50 would be my answer, okay? I'm not taking 30 hops, all right? I am going backwards 30. And what that does is it makes me take hops by 10s, 10, 20, 30, and that counts as 3 hops, okay, which gets me down to 50. If I wanted to do this a different way, if I'm drawing 80, 10, 20, 30, down here below, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We can use these as sticks of 10, kind of like we use sticks of 10 in class, and I want to take away, so I want to get rid of some. And in class, we always used X's to show that. So I want to take away 30. So am I going to take away 30 sticks? No, these are worth 10, so I'm going to take away a 10. And another 10 gives me 20. And one more 10 gives me 30. So these are all being removed. So then I'm going to count up what's left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I have 50 left, okay? All right, let me get out my eraser. Yep, we'll clear it. All right, let's do another one. All right, so we are going to go 90 minus 40, all right? And some of you probably already noticed that you see simple math facts in here, and that's great if you do, because they're just 9 10s and 4 10s. So 9 minus 4, 9 10s minus 4 10s. But if we want to start like this and we say 90, this is my starting number, right? And I am going to hop, the subtraction means backwards, 40. Okay, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. What is my answer? It is 50 again. 80 minus 30 and 90 minus 40 are both 50. Okay? Does this make sense? On your worksheet today, you are going to go ahead and draw a number line if you would like to. Count by 10. Start it with 0. Okay? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way to 100. You can use that. Or if you know that it's 9 10s minus 4 10s equals 5 10s, you can put that there with these zeros are still at the end, okay? So your worksheet today you're going to work on is just using this concept. We'll do one more. Say I start with 50. I only have 50 at the end. Remember, we're just doing subtraction today, but you can do this with anything. 50 minus 20 equals, all right, so which number do I need to start with today, boys and girls? I'm going to look at the beginning. I need to start with 50, so I'm going to start right here. I'm going to subtract, so I'm going to go backwards 20. So we're going to take hops by 10. We're going to say 10, and another one is 20. What is my answer at the end? 30. Now, you may also, whoopsies. You may also, that was a crazy 0. Draw your 10s over here on your worksheet too if you want to. Just tally marks equals a 10. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, and how many am I going to take away? 20 sticks. No, not 26, worth 20. These are 10s. So this is 10, and another one makes 20. So I've taken away 20. What's left? Well, 10, 20, 30. That gives me the answer of 30 also. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Good luck today on your lessons. Let me know if you guys need anything, okay?